Data warehousing sounds technical, but it is essentially a digital library for a company's historical information. Let's break down how it works. At its core, a data warehouse is a centralized storage system that collects information from many different parts of a business. Instead of having data scattered across spreadsheets and different software, a warehouse brings it all together so it can be analyzed accurately. These systems are designed to be permanent records, meaning the data stays consistent and historical, allowing for better long-term decision-making. While a standard database handles daily tasks like updating a customer address, a warehouse is built to look at massive trends over time. Warehouses typically hold significantly more information because they store years of past transactions rather than just the current state of the business. Without this foundation, companies would struggle to see the big picture or forecast future financial performance effectively. Understanding how data is managed is a key part of modern business analysis. Thanks for watching and stay curious.